Respected faculties, I am Gopika B. Anil and I am here to present the major project Staff Housing. Project introduction. The project was to design a high-rise apartment for the house as a housing for the faculties of Marian College of Architecture and Planning, and the design should include attracting amenities and also with effective spaces, and it should be handicap friendly. And the site to be designed is locating inside the Marian Education Campus, Menamkulam, Kalkuttam, and the site is surrounded by campus blocks, and it is located in an urban context with scarce vegetation and less privacy. The literature case study chosen was Hasu House apartment located at Mango, and then the design incorporated open spaces in order to utilize it for social interaction as well as incorporating the traditional style. The light case study chosen was Le Royale located at Trivandrum, and the area statement from the areas obtained from the literature case studies, live case studies, data collections, area required of each of the spaces is being found out, and from there a total of 1504.4 meters square is being achieved. And the preliminary zoning is done in such a way that the lower levels of the building is zoned in such a way that the units are being arranged to the outer edges and the central core of the layout, and the common spaces and the lobbies are being provided in between the units, and towards the upper floors the amenities are provided towards the outer edges of the layout, and the central core is being provided with the units. And about the vertical zoning, basement parking is being provided, and towards the lower level smaller units are being oriented, and also since these units are being these units the occupants of these units mainly uses recreation spaces more. Therefore, for the easier access, lower levels are being provided with smaller units, and the higher levels are being provided with larger units and amenities, as they are the ones who often use these amenities, and to provide more privacy to them. And about the concept is the regeneration of environment in an urban context, and which has been inspired from the literature case study. The idea was to create more open spaces with less built up space, thus designing an environment friendly building and creating an harmony between the nature and the occupants. The building has been oriented by considering the sun and also the wind direction, and also by considering the view towards a side from each side of the building. And the concept is being achieved by creating a large water garden at the center, thus giving a feeling of living along in the waterways in an urban context. And this also increases the social interaction among the occupants, and also a terrace garden is being provided for each of the apartment units, and thus this creates increases interaction among the family members too. Then about the site plan, this is the rooftop plan, and the entrance is made from the southwest end, since it is nearer to the private road, and to the west side is the badminton court as seen here, and also the car parkings are being provided along the road, and also the recreation areas are being distributed around the site. Since the site is being located inside the Marine Engineering campus, and it is surrounded all around by campus blocks, it offers the building offers less privacy. The site offers less privacy. Therefore, the building is being aligned towards the center of the site in such a way that it is away from the periphery of the site, and thus it offers more privacy. Then about the site layout, the entrance is made from the southwest side, and a pedestrian walkway also starts from the southwest side, and it continues all around the building, and it runs by the side of the water garden created, and this creates a very good view from the jogging track itself, and and the car parking, visitors and the disabled car parkings are provided along the road for the easy access of the people to enter the building, and the entrance of the building is facing the western side with the large central lobby along with the VIP lounge and reception, and a caretaker's room is being provided in between the lounge and the service block, so that the person in charge could easily access the both these areas in case of emergency. In case of emergency and repair, and the service areas, each of the service areas have a direct and individual access to the roadside. Thus in case of any repair, it is easier for the workers to approach each of the service rooms without entering the main entrance. So towards the northern side is the party hall and the association hall, and there runs a long corridor covering the water garden created, and which starts from the entrance to the and it ends to the other side of the building, and which leads to the children's garden, children's park and other recreation areas. And this corridor has a good view towards the water garden which is being created. Then about the first floor plan and second floor plan. First and second shares the same floor plan, and it consists of a studio unit and 2 BHK units, and one studio and one 2 BHK shares a single lobby, and this lobby consists of a lift and a central seating space along with the common terrace garden which could be enjoyed by the guests also, and it has got electrical ducts, telecommunication ducts, fire ducts, plumbing ducts, etc. And from this is a typical studio layout plan. Where it has got a living room, adjacent to it is the terrace garden, and there is a dining, kitchen, work area, kitchen garden, bedroom and a toilet is being provided. And here is the 2 BHK unit with a living room, dining, terrace garden, kitchen along with a breakfast counter, powder room, work area, 2 bedrooms with separate toilets and terrace gardens, and the same layout has been followed over to this side of the plan also, with the studio unit and 2 BHK sharing a single lobby. Then this is the 3D layout of the studio unit, and this is the 3D layout of the 2 BHK unit. The third floor plan to 6th floor plan shares the same floor plan layout, and here is the 1 BHK unit and 1 2 BHK unit shares a single lobby, and this is a typical 1 BHK unit plan with a living room, dining, terrace garden, kitchen, breakfast counter having a good view, and a terrace garden, bedroom and toilet, and a 2 BHK unit which is the same layout as that in first floor plan, and the same layout is being followed over this side of the building also. So this is then about the 7th floor plan onwards, amenities are being provided at the either sides of the layout. Over this side is a yoga room, and here is the DJ party hall, and towards the central core is 2 3 BHK apartments. One is being entered through this lobby and one through this lobby, and the layout is in such a way that there is a spacious living, dining, a terrace garden, master bedroom with a separate toilet and a kitchen, work area, and 2 bedrooms, one with an attached terrace garden. And here there is it is also 3 BHK with 2 bedrooms, and with separate, each having separate toilets, and a kitchen with a kitchen garden. Then about the 8th floor plan follows the same layout as that of the 7th, except for the amenities. Here it has a library, and this end has a hall. Then this is the 3D layout of the 2 3 BHK units. Then about the ninth floor plan, it has a VIP suite which has been oriented over to the central core of the layout, and the amenities provided are indoor game room towards one side and gym towards the other side. The VIP suite is being oriented in such a way that there is a living room, dining with a terrace garden, kitchenette with a breakfast counter and a wash area, and a bedroom which has a private terrace garden and a bed and toilet, and the living room has an open patio. And the 10th floor plan also follows the same with the amenities like indoor game room and kindergarten is the only difference here. Then this is the 3D layout of the VIP room. Then about the 11th floor plan, the swimming pool can be accessed from both the lobbies, and it has got an open patio too. And here is the changing room of the swimming pool and the sauna. Both these rooms have got terrace gardens, and also from here this lobby there is a open restaurant. And about the basement floor plan, it has got 15 parking slots, and it has got two lifts and also two fire escapes, and it is 210 meters below the ground floor level. Then about the section AA is being cut like this, and it has got it shows the basement parking, service area, the party hall and the association hall, the units, and the amenities like indoor game room and swimming pool and the adjacent patio is being shown in this section. And on over to this section, it is being cut in this direction, and it shows the basement parking, VIP lounge and lobby, the units, amenities like the hall, DJ hall, sauna, gym, kindergarten, open restaurant, and the patio adjacent to it. Next, the elevation. The southwest side of the site is considered as the is made as the entrance. Therefore, the front elevation is this one, which is a south elevation, where the north elevation looks like this and west elevation is like this, and the south and the east elevations are like this. Then about the special topic taken, I have taken water garden as a special topic, as this is my concept, as well as I have created a water garden in order to promote the social engagement with the potential of proximity to the waterfront, and which actually increases the interaction among the occupants, as this acts as an interactive space and also as a relaxation space from the occupants' hectic professional life. And patio spaces are also being created along the water garden as a peaceful space for the occupants to sit and relax, and these are made of laminated wood, and also the roofing is made of tensile fabric material, and these spaces can be used for reading, working, or spending their free time. And in addition to the spacious space, a circular concrete bench is also being laid adjacent to the water garden. And these water gardens add some color and dimensions to the surroundings of this space, and the jogging tracks also have a pleasant feeling while they are jogging. And about the electrical and plumbing drawing, this is the electrical drawing of a 3 BHK unit of the 7th floor. This is the plumbing drawing of the 3 BHK unit of the 7th floor. Thank you.